In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Obsidian program on your Windows computer. Whether you are on Windows 10 or Windows 11, then these steps are the same. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to do this, just open any browser on your computer. So I'm on Google Chrome, and using search here, just search for your program by name. So just search for Obsidian, and here we go. And run the search. Here we shall be taken to the official Obsidian website, and if you click on it, now we have an option to get Obsidian for Windows here. You can also see we have an option to download it directly from here. So just click on get for Windows and then confirm download for Windows here. By doing so, the program will automatically be downloaded on your computer. As you can see, the download process has begun, and now as you can see, the download is almost done. Once it is done, if you click on it, now you should see we have this folder where this installer file is located. Just click on it and this will open it. For my case, it is under downloads, so you can just go under downloads and you should find your Obsidian app. To install this app, just right click on it and then choose run as administrator, or you can as well just double click on it to run the installer file. Confirm by clicking on yes, and now here go ahead and choose whether you want it to be for all users, if you are using your computer with other users, or only for you. I'll just click on continue as this is for me, and then click on install here. Before you install, you may want to change your destination folder, that is the download location. I'll leave it as it is. I'll click on install to run and complete the installation process, and as you can see, it is in progress here. Keep this window open. Once this is done, now you can finish the process by just clicking on finish here. And now if you go to your computer, you can see we have Obsidian shortcut here. To launch your program, just double click on it or right click on it and choose open to launch your program. So that's how you can download and install Obsidian program on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.